Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If your Windows is running slow, apps keep crashing, updates fail, or you are seeing random errors, before you reset or reinstall Windows, open command prompt or PowerShell as administrator and run this command. Number one command is winget upgrade update all software. On the CMD screen, type winget space upgrade space and all. What it does, this is Windows built-in package manager. It updates all the apps installed on your computer, browser, media players and more to their latest version in one go. To make sure no app update gets skipped, use winget upgrade all include unknown. Run this at least once in a month. Number two prompt is chkdsk/r fix disk error and bad sectors. On the CMD prompt, again type chkdsk clone/r. You can find in the prompt in the description below. What it does is scan your storage drive and repairs both file system errors and physical bad sectors. Since the C drive is in use, Windows will ask you to restart to run the scan. Press Y and hit enter and restart your PC. Number 3 prompt is sfc/scannow, the system file checker. On the CMD screen, type the following command cfc/scannow. Scan critical Windows system files and automatically replace any corrupted ones from backup. After that, restart your PC once the scan finish. If it can't fix the files, you will need the DISM command next. Number 4, DISM/online/cleanup image RestoreHealth repair Windows image command. You can find the command on the description below. All of this command, so you can easily get it and paste it on the command prompt. When CFC alone can fix things, this command downloads verified system components from Microsoft servers to fully repair the Windows image or component store. Restart your PC once this finishes, then run sfc/scannow again. DISM first, then SSC. This order works best. Number 5 is DISM health check commands. It is a diagnostic tools. ScanHealth command DISM/online/cleanup image/ScanHealth runs a deep scan to check the corruption. A check health command is DISM/online/cleanup.image and check health. Gives a quick status check. Number 6 command is netsh winsock reset, the fix network issues. Command on the CMD screen, type netsh winsock reset. After that, press enter, then following by netsh int IP reset and enter. After that, netsh int IPv4 and reset, or the appropriate IP address command as needed. If sites or apps won't work even though your internet connection is fine, this resets the winsock catalog and TCP/IP stack back to the defaults. Restart your PC once it's done. Our next command is ipconfig flushdns clear DNS cache. Commands on the list is ipconfig/flushdns and press enter, then followed by ipconfig/release and press enter, then type ipconfig/renew and press enter. It clears out old or corrupted DNS cache from your browser or system, so it can fetch a fresh IP address and DNS information. At number 8 on our command list is ipconfig/registerdns re-registerdns. Command is ipconfig/registerdns. It less useful on home network but very effective on corporate or domain networks for fixing machine name resolution and domain authentication issues. At number 9 is netsh advfirewall reset firewall. On the command list you can find it and type it here, netsh advfirewall reset. What it does, if your Windows firewall settings are misconfigured or an app is causing connectivity problem, this reset the firewall completely to its factory default. Warning, this deletes any custom rule. Number 10 is powercfg/energy, the power diagnostic report. Command is powercfg/energy. It's monitor your system for 60 seconds and generate an HTML report, useful for finding out why a laptop battery drains too fast or why it won't go into sleep mode. Number 11, a command is powercfg/batteryreport. It checks the battery health, generate a full report comparing the laptop's design capacity to its current charge capacity, along with cycle count and degradation percentage. Handy for deciding whether to replace the battery once it drops below 75% health. Bonus, Windows Memory Diagnostic RAM Test. Method, go to the search bar, type mdsched to open Windows Memory Diagnostic and select Restart Now and check for problem. After the PC restart, it thoroughly checks the RAM for any issues or physical errors. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.